A321 field trip. ATA-25, emergency equipment. The evacuation systems of the emergency exits on the A321 are doors number 2 and 3 on the left and right-hand side. There is an escape slide located in the fuselage structure below each door. Here is shown door number 2. The pressure bottle is located in the cabin above the door. Its access is via a panel. Now shown is the door number 3 escape slide location. Its corresponding pressure bottle is also located in the cabin above the door, but accessible via the hat rack. Now shown is the pressure bottle in detail. With the hat rack door open and the fairing removed, there is a clear view of the pressure bottle. The pressure bottle is equipped with a valve head, which will release the bottle pressure when operated. The 2 cables shown will operate the valve. The left cable is operated via a manual release handle. The other cable is used during door operation in armed position. Here we see the manual operation, and here is shown the automatic operation. With the door armed and the door handle lifted, the release assembly is operated and will pull on the automatic release cable. A pressure hose is connected to the pressure bottle, and the other end of the pressure hose is connected to an adapter, which is fitted inside the escape slide recess in the unpressurized area. The pressure gauge indicates the pressure via a contoured band: red, no-go, green, go. The gauge is temperature compensated.